What if your body already had the power to heal itself, but you simply hadn't accessed it yet? Imagine walking without joint pain. Imagine steady hands again. Imagine feeling energized, not exhausted, when you wake up. For thousands of international patients, that possibility is no longer theoretical. It's happening right now in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
This is my second time I get the stem cell injection from Dr. Vines. At the beginning, I was very anxious. This stem cell injection might be painful, but after the first time, then no pain at all. It's not like what I was worried about. So after the first treatment, I feel my health have been improved.
A destination where science, regulation, and affordability come together to unlock the future of regenerative medicine. Stem cell therapy is powerful, but only when performed under strict medical oversight. Malaysia stands apart from loosely regulated destinations. Every stem cell protocol must comply with the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency, the NPRA, ensuring ethical sourcing, laboratory sterility, and clinical accountability. Cells are processed in certified CGMP laboratories. Patients receive documented proof of cell viability and count, often called a certificate of analysis. And because English is widely spoken, international patients experience seamless communication with physicians trained in the UK, Australia, and the United States. This isn't experimental tourism, it's structured, government-regulated, regenerative medicine, delivered in modern hospitals that feel more like five-star hotels. Many patients travel to Kuala Lumpur hoping to avoid joint replacement surgery. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs, are used to reduce inflammation and support cartilage repair in knees, hips, and shoulders. Instead of invasive surgery and months of rehabilitation, patients may experience improved mobility through targeted injections. For conditions like Parkinson's disease, post-stroke recovery, cerebral palsy, or traumatic brain injury, specialized protocols focus on neuroregeneration. The goal is not a miracle cure. The goal is functional improvement, better coordination, improved muscle control, enhanced quality of life. Others seek full-body rejuvenation using ethically sourced umbilical cord tissue, often known as Wharton's jelly. Physicians administer IV stem cell infusions designed to support cellular repair, reduce oxidative stress, and enhance vitality. Different goals, different protocols, one regenerative philosophy. Let's address the question most patients ask first. Cost. In the United States, stem cell therapy may range between $25,000 and $50,000, often without comprehensive support. In Kuala Lumpur, complete treatment programs typically range between $8,100 and $15,800. Why the difference? Lower operational costs, government-supported medical tourism, favorable exchange rates, not lower standards. Most programs include comprehensive diagnostic screening, laboratory expansion and processing fees, stem cell administration, IV or targeted injection, VIP airport transfers, post-treatment monitoring, and international patient concierge services. From arrival to recovery, the experience is designed to feel structured, safe, and supported. Healing isn't just clinical, it's environmental. Patients recover in luxury accommodations overlooking the Kuala Lumpur skyline. They explore tranquil rainforests, vibrant cultural landmarks, and world-class cuisine. Here, advanced biotechnology meets warm Malaysian hospitality. So the question becomes, are you ready to explore your body's regenerative potential? Contact PlacidWay today for a free personalized quote from Kuala Lumpur's top stem cell specialists. Your journey to recovery may be closer and more affordable than you think. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.